Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you 8 tipid tips on shopping online. Okay? So, quick disclaimer, hindi po ako nanggagaya ng kahit na sino. I'm just gonna share my experience or what I do pag nag-shop ako online. Okay? So first tip, look for an app. Simple, 'di ba? Pero meron kasing ibang app na mahal yung isang product and then same lang naman sila, but mas mahal siya sa isang app na yon. Like Lazada, meron kang nakitang product na gustong-gusto mo, pero mahal siya. And then, nakita mo siya Shopee na mas mura siya. So, look for an app na mas cheap yung product na gusto mo. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2. Wait for the sale. Okay? Don't shop if it's not sale. Ayaw pagpalit o mahal. So, be patient. Huwag kang atat best, ha? Huwag kang atat says. So, that's tip number 2. Wait for the sale. Huwag atat. Okay? Tip number 3. Use voucher or coupons. Malaking tulong talaga yung coupons and voucher for me kasi ginagamit ko sila every time I shop sa Shopee or Lazada. Pero, mas favorite ko yung Shopee kasi ang dami nilang voucher and free shipping voucher or coupons. So, hindi naman ako biased dito pero mas gusto ko talaga mag-shop sa Shopee. Tip number 4 na ba? Yeah, tip number 4. No. 1, 2, 3. 4. Tip number 4. Look for alternatives. Yun. Para na din siyang look for an app. Pero, kung pinag-aano natin dito is maghanap ka ng alternative na product kung gusto mo talaga makatipid. For example, gusto ko ng light strips, pero sobrang mahal ng light strips. Even yung cheap version, like yung, nakabili na ako ng 400 pesos, dalawang 5 meters na light strips. Pero, dalawang araw ko lang siya ginamit, nasira na agad kasi sobrang flimsy nung plug. And yung Philips naman sobrang mahal. Sobrang mahal, says. I cannot afford that. It's 1,000 or 2,000 something. So, para lang mapaganda yung room sa 2,000, I can't afford that. So, I look for alternatives. Nag-search ako. And then, I found this light bulb na RGB. May remote control na rin siya. Meron din siyang isang alternative na light bulb din siya, pero may app siya sa cellphone. Pwede nyo siyang i-change yung kulay doon sa cellphone nyo. Pero, since I'm very cheap, binili ko yung 200 pesos na bulb, na RGB bulb. And may remote na siya. And gumagana yung remote and all. So, nagamit ko na siya for 2 weeks now. Wala namang problema. So, yeah, I'm gonna link that below if gusto nyo naman ng cheap alternative for light strips na ma-achieve yung RGB look or purple room look. Ganon. Uso yun sa TikTok, diba? Tip number 5, read reviews. Siyempre, hindi ka naman bibili ng product kung walang reviews, diba? Ganon ako eh. I'm very patient sa mga ganong bagay. I do read a lot of reviews before ko ibabay yung products. Kasi, you know what? Mag-aaksaya ka ba ng pera? Para lang sa para sa gamit na yun. Tapos, hindi mo naman alam kung gagana or hindi. So, yeah, that's my tip number 5. The tip number 5, read reviews talaga guys ha. Read reviews. That's important. Tip number 6, use digital payment. You can get more vouchers and coupons or free shipping vouchers if you use digital payment. Like, Shopee Pay or Lazada Pay. I use Shopee Pay kasi meron silang free shipping coupons and meron din silang cashback or coins back. Kasi every time bibili ka ng products, meron silang binibigay na coupons na 20% cashback, ganun. So, meron ka makukuhang coins and then that coins, magagamit mo siya sa next purchase mo. Pag na-receive mo na yung product na binili mo with that cashback coupon. So, yeah, maganda din yun. Use Shopee Pay or Lazada wallet kasi magagamit nyo yun. Pero mostly sa Shopee ako nag-shop talaga. So, ang alam ko lang is yung Shopee Pay cashback, 20% cashback or 10% cashback gets. And then you have free shipping pa. Tip number 7. Tip number 7. Mag-shop kayo ng 12 midnight to 2 a.m. sa Shopee kasi meron sa free shipping. Gawin nyo yun, promise. Free shipping. I love free shipping. So, tip number 9. Uy, tip number 8. Yeah, tip number 8. Use e-payment for cash in. You can save bank fees. Use e-payment like to cash in sa Shopee Pay. Pag sa Shopee Pay kasi merong cash in, 'di ba? Pag gagamitin niyo yung bank nyo directly sa Shopee Pay, meron siyang additional fee. So, yung ginagawa ko is nagka-cash in ako sa GCash ko or PayMaya, wala siyang fee. Pag bank through GCash or bank to PayMaya, wala siyang fee. So, wala kang gagastusin talagang additional fee. So, ginagamit ko for Shopee Pay and Lazada wallet is the GCash and PayMaya kasi wala silang additional fee. So, that's my tip. Kung gusto nyo talagang makatipid every centavo, that's my tip, okay? Use e-payment or e-wallet for cash in sa Shopee Pay or sa Lazada payment, Lazada wallet. This is 9 pala. So, 9 tipid tips. 9. So, install SHOPBAck. This will change your life. Hindi po to sponsored ng SHOPBAck, okay? I'm just sharing what I learned. So, i-install mo yung SHOPBAck to earn cashback sa wallet. Yung cashback naman, naiipon siya sa wallet mo sa SHOPBAck. Okay? Cashback, SHOPBAck. SHOPBAck is the app, okay? Ang dami niyang option, madami siyang store. So, makakakuha kayo ng cashback na 15% or 20%. Yun yung pinakamalaki na cashback. I mean, pag na-install nyo, di ba? And then you want to shop sa Shopee. Like, for example, sa Shopee. And may nakalagay din 15% cashback. Okay? So, pipindutin yung Shopee doon sa may SHOPBAck. Meron doon all stores. Yung SHOPBAck app, i-divert ka niya sa Shopee app. So, pwede mo nang bilhin yung gusto mong nasa cart mo. And then, pag na-receive mo yung product, after shipping, pag na-receive mo na yung product, makakagain ka ng cashback sa SHOPBAck app. Okay? Para hindi ka malito. SHOPBAck yung app and cashback yung makukuha yung money or sa pwede nyo siyang i-withdraw via Gmail, yung cashback na yun. I'm gonna link a referral code. Kung i-install yung SHOPBAck, please use my code na lang. Okay? And this is not sponsored by SHOPBAck, guys. I'm just helping you. Kaya nga tips di ba? Yun. So, I'm just helping you to get your money back kahit na nagsha-shop ka na nagsha-shop. Okay. Yun lang. And I think that's it. Okay. I think that's my take for tipid tips. If you want more of this video, please comment down below. Kasi sobrang dami yung nagre-request ng mga ganito. Since I open it sa stream ko last night, ang daming nagsasuggest na gumawa ako ng video na like this. So, here you go. Gumawa na ako para sa inyo. I would say, based on my experience, kasi half or 70% ng nasa bahay namin is from online shopping. Kasi I don't really go out. Even nung nag-start yung pandemic or even nung wala pang pandemic, I don't really go out buying things sa mall kasi sobrang mahal talaga ng mga gamit sa mall. So, I tend to shop online and then look for alternatives para makatipid, Kasi nga, sa panahon ngayon, we have to be, like, matipid. Kasi nga, diba? pandemic, and sa iba sa atin walang stable job. So, sana makatulong tong tip na to para sa inyo. I'm just helping you guys. So, thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo, and yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like more of these videos, and yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, and yeah, see you soon. Bye-bye.